name is Raj Narayan. I am Vice President of Ramki Estates and Farms Limited. I am very happy to be in front of you because you asked me why we are participating in this property show. I think one of the best property shows which Hyderabad city hosts yearly once is the Kradai as well as the Trada. Okay, we are members of both the association, and very recently the Kradai exhibition happened, which gave us very good results, and we are expecting the same thing to happen from even Trada. This is a real estate organization which conducts events like this in the city and high-tech city. This is the 3-day event, and today being the first day, we have already started seeing good amount of crowd coming, and we anticipate in the next 2 days more than 50 to 75 thousands of people coming up, because owning a dream home is the belief of everybody. We say roti, kapda and makan. So the makan is something which everybody would like to buy, and in a growing city like Hyderabad, where the property appreciations are very good, and the kind of infrastructure, the kind of market awareness, and the ORR, which has become a talk of the entire country today. This has made distance traveling very less, and if you see the city, it is spread in all the 4 direction: east, west, north and south. So there's a big advantage buying in Hyderabad, and there is a tremendous amount of value appreciation which is happening. If you ask me, the trend in present real estate market is very good. It's very bright, and as you know, COVID has created it has built a kind of situation where work from home has become a lifestyle for people. So there is a good amount of migration which is happening. A 1 BHK person would like to go for 2 BHK. A 2 BHK family would like to go for a 3 BHK. A 3 BHK family would like to go and shift to a villa. Same way, even in villa, if you see, previously 2 BHK was enough. Today people are talking about 4 BHK with a a 4 and 5. And affordability also has become a very good activity, because people prefer to travel little bit distance from the core centers of the city. Okay, and since they have the advantage, but what they are looking for is all the facilities within the community: a doctor inside, a hospital inside, or for example a shopping complex inside. And this is where the integrated township concepts comes in. And I'm happy to tell you that Ramki as an organization is not only in independent constructions, but also in integrated township. One of our township which we are building with a lot of passion is the Ramki Discovery City, which is spread in 600 acres of a land, and this is near Outer Ring Road, exit 14 in Thukuguda Junction, and one of the best in terms of all facilities. Around 8 years back, we launched this project with one single villa project and a 25 acres land called Gardenia Grove. The first villa we sold it at around say 45-50 lakhs. Today resales happened at 3.5 crores, and this all has happened in a matter of just 3 to 4 years time. We have the second project there, which is called the Huddle. Huddle is again a cluster villa project. We launched around 2 years back at a price point of somewhere around 75-80 lakhs. Today it has already touched 1 crore 92 crores, and we are on the delivery stage. In fact, it's our habit now that we are delivering almost 6 months before schedule. That too in the COVID time, where people think, how do we do it, and why not involve clause majuda? But here we have that shows the strength of the organization, that shows the strength of the customers' belief, because they all pay in time, and that's how the construction happened. And now we also have Greenview Apartment, another project within same Discovery City, which is also in the delivery stage. And very recently, almost around 7 months back, we launched the first senior citizen housing, or we call it as the active adult housing, the project which is called Golden Circle, tremendous amount of response we had. Almost 247 units launched on the first day. Almost 75 to 80 were sold. So today we have touched almost 50% of the sale completed, and I'm sure that project also will be delivered well within committed time. This project is quite unique in the market. Here, somebody who buys, he has got all the other facilities. Like, he doesn't have to prepare food in his house. He can just go down to your community kitchen and have your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And same way, the lady in the house need not wash the clothes, because you have a facility of laundry. And people can come to your home in the morning, take the clothes, wash it, rinse it, iron it, and give it back to you by evening. Just imagine. Specifically, the women in this country doesn't have a retirement age, but in Discovery City Golden Circle, yes, 60 is their retirement age. Okay. Same way, this project will also have the benefit of doctors, nurses, sisters at the premises. So if you are a diabetic patient, or if you are a patient who needs doctor's attendance on a quite frequent time, instead of you going to hospital, the doctor will come to your house. So these are the additional facilities which I'm sure people whose children who are settled in US or Singapore or outside India, and they would like to give these benefits to the parents. So they are the target audience. So I would recommend to all younger generation, so-called 35-40 age people, don't look at it just for your case. Look at it for your parents. Look at it for your parents' friends, your uncle, aunties who have already reached 50, 55 age. So that is a group of people who will be very, very happy in an integrated township. The advantage of buying here is you not only have other projects nearby, but it's a community overall put together of around 1,500, 2,000 families which will be having their own residential stay there. It has got a school. It will very soon have a hospital. So if you look at a complete nutshell of a real estate supermarket, is what is Ramki Discovery City. So visit this project, have a look at it, try and understand what we are building in a city like Hyderabad, and how it is going to do value proposition or value increase in terms of your living standard. If you ask me, everywhere in Hyderabad is a good market, but if you look at investment, there are few points which we should look at it. One is how much of employment generation is happening in that location. How is the title of that particular land? What is the connectivity to that particular location? And is it only one particular villa or an apartment project? So if you see Discovery City, it scores in all this direction, because it is in an Erythropolis zone, which is called the airport area. At the same time, you have all the established defense academy, or for that matter, defense research center nearby. You also have the electronic city nearby. You have the pharma city at the back, and you have a reserve forest in the center. So ideally, climatic condition wise, connectivity wise, land wise, water resources wise, I think south of Hyderabad is emerging as a good location for future investment. Okay, my best wishes to your channel, and I'm sure you will promote this in a much more better way so that people are benefited. Thank you so much.